Morning everyone. Brandon here to help you. Okay. And this video I'm going to showing you how to add subtitle in YouTube video. So YouTube video has update the upload process, and now during the upload process you can add subtitle where you are upload your video now. And this video I'm going to walk you step by step, and we'll be adding our subtitle to the YouTube video by manually. Okay, let's start with me. Step 1, click on YouTube app. Click on create. Upload your video. Select your file. Okay, you select your video. Step 2, video element. You can see this add subtitle, like, okay, you can add. Click on tab manually. Hello everyone, today I have a useful video. Tap on your caption. Add caption. Testing subtitle over subtitle. Okay, you can tap in subtitle until you finish your video, until the last your video. After you finish your video, and you can click done. Okay, your subtitle video has done. Wow! At the last, thank you for helping me. Thank you for your time. See you next video. Subscribe for more. Have a nice day.